The king is pardoned! Disperse and go your ways in peace. The girl has been pardoned, and all her people are free to live anywhere in...
I love you only, my heart is true. Come, come, my life is lonely, I long for you. Come, come, my arms are aching.
What a beautiful old man. What a lovely head.
India is filled with old men, Mem Sahib.
But not like the one in the yellow turban. He's like a head of John the Baptist.
The Mem Sahib refers to the storyteller.
And will soon be old. Alas and alack, it's a great big world. I learned to sew and I learned to bake. I even frosted an angel cake on Saturday evening when folks dropped in. My house was as neat as a
That blue room they sing about, where's that sunshine they fling about? I know morning will come, but pardon my laughter. In each scenario you can...
By the light of the silvery moon.
and my heart's a thumping like a mandolin a plucking a tune.
When we get home, we're fixing to stay. So, whip, crack away, whip, crack away, whip, crack away.
And if thou wouldst attain the upper brackets, marry me, marry me, marry me.
My purse has yet to know a silver lining. Still lifeless is my wifeless family tree. But if for love unending thou art pining, marry me, marry me, marry me.
I come to thee a thoroughbred patrician, still spraying my decaying family tree, to give a social lift to thy position. Marry me, marry me, marry me, marry me,
Marry me,
marry me,
marry me,
marry me, marry me.
marry me.
I'm a maid who would marry and will take with no qualm any Tom, Dick, or Harry, any Harry, Dick, or Tom. I'm a maid mad to marry and will take double quick. No!
and my privilege and my pleasure. 1, 2, 3, go!
Why, you big...
World's a happy place, won't you smile for us all, Brother John?
Brother John,
Brother John,
Brother John,
Brother John,
there's a smile.
She can't swim, she's drowning.
That's the idea.
Hang on, Rach, I'm coming. I can't swim.
How's the water, sister?
Sweets and soda pops. What do they call that place? Isn't it paradise? Maybe what the doctor tells me isn't altogether true. But I love every tale he tells me. I don't know any better ones. Do you? My friend, the doctor says the world is full of fantasy. And who are you and I to disagree?
This is mine. And this is mine. And this is mine. And this is mine. And this is mine. And
know that next year and every year I'd be back again. Happy Easter!
What was that?
An old friend kissed the bride.
Groovy, Mama, groovy.
I'm a bundle of confusion, yet it has a strange appeal. Did it all begin with him and the way he makes me?
Oh, that.
I wish you could have told me yourself.
Oh, Grace, it's not for long. They say it'll be over by Christmas. Hey.
No, leave. I don't want
Appears to be.
But he never goes to town this time of year. And he never wears a suit except in church.
Maybe he's going carting.
Don't be so utterly ridiculous, Thomas.
Oh no, I'll go broke. You'll give away Mitsubishi giant screen television sets for $1,299? How no? You won't be undersold on microwaves, your video recorders.
That was a gun! Daddy! Mom,
There's no time!
I don't know where. It's a big thing. It's at the warehouse.
Buckle up. You can't drive. You don't even have a driver's license. We're going.
What are you doing? I don't know.
Are you ready to begin? Ready to play or to win? If anyone's feeling down, acting tough, mean or proud, we're gonna tell you right now. We got a book to make you smile. We're gonna turn you
I am so looking forward to this evening.
£20 now and then will amply discharge my promise. You're quite right.
Indeed. Although, to say the truth, I'm convinced within myself that your father had no idea of your giving them money. No, Miss Trenchbull, please don't throw him.
That's it?
Oh, great! Miss Clavel!
Where's Miss Clavel?
No, some nun.
A nun?
A nun!
Hold on, Genevieve.
Name is number one and I can reach the sun. I am number one, always in the lead. My soldiers follow on, ready to succeed. Charge!
You make him a very bad boy and a go!
Cahow! Cahow! Just a little look, cahow, at my new arrivals.
No, my dear. They need warmth for survival.
Oh, just a little peek, cahow.
Move your nosy beak. Oh, no.
Oh, this waiting, this anticipating the birth of my...
Say a thing, he never does. And yet I don't want you to worry your tiny little head over the fact that your father and I don't get along and never have. He may be a mean, stupid, selfish, dreadful, rotten man, but he is your father, and I want you to respect him. There's only one person who really cares about you and your future. And that's what I'm talking about now. Your future. Sweetiekins, you can't just marry anybody.
We're not?
No. We're like squirrels, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Beauty, eh? Yeah, well, he's actually the squirrel, eh?
I'm more of a purebred Wolverine. Look at these cuspids. Give them a little room.
Why am I even talking to a couple of dumb moose?
No, we're squirrels, eh?
Wolverine. A fine.
We should probably call a zoo and...
No! No, Suze, you know I don't like the idea of animals in cages.
Honey, neither do I, but let's just see what we got here. Let's think about this.
Full game Farm Heroes Super Saga. It's amazing! Check it out!
What separates the casual Jane Austen fan from the aficionado? Is it her admiration for the style and manners of the Regency era? The number of times she's read Austen's novels? Or her consuming love for Mr. Darcy?
Hey, you think this is the Chitty Chitty Bang Bang car?
No! Merry Christmas, your old building alone. I'm home! Abuela, that ain't a stoop, that's your throne. Long after your birds have all flown, I'm home. With the coffees non-stop and I drop this hip-hop in my mom and pop shop, I'm home. When people come, people go. Let me show all of these people what I know. There's no place like home. And let me set the record straight. I'm stepping to Vanessa, I'm getting a second date. I'm home. Where it's 100 in the shade, but with patience and faith we remain unafraid. I'm home. You hear that music in the air? Take the train to the top of the world, and out there, I'm home.
So no matter how shallow and self-absorbed you pretend to be...
Excuse me. There is no pretense here. I happen to be genuinely self-absorbed and deeply shallow.
Oh, please. No, you're not. Otherwise, you wouldn't be so unhappy.
Doing stuff. Say, hey, check me out. Yeah, I'm just Ken. My name's Ken. And so am I. Put that manly hand in mine. I'll see you on the Malibu.